y'all, welcome back to my channel. I'm back. Yes, I know I have been gone for a while, but I wanted to jump on here and kind of tell you what has been going on. Ignore the bun. I know it is like super big and messy, but I need to wash my hair and I've just been like so busy playing catch up. So first things first, I'm going to be doing the February BoxyCharm because I was sick with the flu when I got it in the mail, and then Shane and I went to Las Vegas, and then when I got back I was like sick for like a week before we left, so I had to play catch up on everything then, like with work, with the house, with the boys. And then Shane got sick and it has just been one thing after another. So I'm so glad to actually be back filming, and I will make up my videos next week. And that's another thing that I wanted to do, is jump on here and tell you what is coming up. So before we get started, don't forget to click that subscribe button and hit that post notification bell so you guys will be notified every time I upload. From now on, I will have pre-filmed videos or something to keep you guys occupied, because I know you're probably so lost without my videos. Insert sarcasm, I'm just kidding. But anyways, we will go ahead and see what is in the February BoxyCharm box. And then also I have a few announcements for you guys. So without further ado, let's jump into it. Okay, so first things first, I was sick with the flu earlier in February and I was down for like 2 weeks. And then Shane and I left to go to Las Vegas. We went to the Deontay Wilder fight. That was insane, you guys. Like, holy moly. Like, never in my life have I seen something like that. And now that the second, or it's actually the third fight that has been scheduled. It's going to be in July and it's going to be in Las Vegas. So I think we're going to go back out there for that one, because it was just so crazy. Like, I really advise you guys to like go to like one of those fights or go to a boxing match like that, because that was insane. It was so much fun though. And then Shane got sick when we got back, and then I had to take Stewie to the vet. So it's just been really one thing after another. I did get some kind of devastating news about my family, so I kind of took a step back and kind of reflected on that as well. So that's where I've been. Sometimes you do just have to take a step back and kind of like take some time for yourself, take some me time, take some you time, so that way you can kind of get back to, you know, yourself. Because I mean, if you're not yourself, then I feel like some people will like notice. So that's why I've been MIA, is because I did have to take some time just for myself, so I can get to feeling better and I can kind of reflect on like the news that I've heard. And also, like, I was way behind like with everything in my life. It was just a big old mess, but I'm back to being me, so I am very excited to be filming again. So that being said, I am starting a new series on my YouTube channel, and it is going to be called 5 Days of Hype. Now, I'm not going to tell you what the first series is going to be about. It's just going to be a surprise, but it is going to be starting on Monday. So it's going to run for 5 days, and it's going to be Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Friday. And basically this series is going to be 5 of each category that I choose, like foundation, powder, eyeshadow, blush, whatever, you know, kind of like products are hyped at that time. And it is going to be 5 days, and each day I'm going to be testing out a new hyped product in that category to kind of see like what the hype is it really worth the hype, you know, just viral products that everybody's like really talking about. It might not be brand spanking new, it might be brand new, but it might just be products that people are just still talking about. So stay tuned for that, because that's going to be really, really exciting, and that way I can kind of make up time for being off for almost a month. So please forgive me, guys. I'm just so glad to actually be back. And like I said, ignore the bun because I have to wash my hair. I have so much stuff to do. I'm like still going 90 to nothing, and mama just really needs a break, honestly. So without further ado, enough blabbing, enough talking about me. Let's get to the BoxyCharm for February. I did go ahead and open it because I knew that I wasn't going to be able to do a brand new kind of like first impressions, because I was like MIA for all of February. So I did go ahead and open it, so I do know what's in it, but I did just kind of want to show you guys. And so I'm hoping that maybe March's BoxyCharm, I can kind of do like maybe a full face of just everything BoxyCharm. I don't know what's going to be in March's BoxyCharm, but we will see. So BoxyCharm is a monthly subscription, and you do get 5 full-size products in it each month. So I really do highly recommend it. My boxes have been good, and I've had it for like 6 months, I think. So each one of my boxes have been like for the value that I do pay. I think it's $27 a month. And then you do have like upgraded boxes you can do each month. And then it does have like pop-ups where you can shop stuff. And y'all, those pop-ups are insane. Like the percent off that you get on some of these high products are ridiculous. So definitely go check that out. I'm telling you, like it's worth it just for that in my book. If y'all hear any ruckus, Shane got a Roomba. I keep wanting to call it a Zumba, but it's a Roomba vacuum cleaner, and the dogs are just having a ball with it. So if you hear anything, it is the Bulldogs, but they're actually not in the room with me. They're outside chasing the Roomba. So ignore that. Okay, so the first item we're going to talk about is facial radiance pads. It says help exfoliate, tone, and brighten, and it is from First Aid Beauty. I've heard really good things about First Aid Beauty. I think they have really decent prices, and I've just heard really good things about it, so I am super excited to try these. Okay, and the next thing we're going to talk about is, I'm not 100% sure how to pronounce this, so excuse me. It's Ciat or Sat or Cat, I don't know, it's something London, and it's Everyday Vacay Coconut Setting Powder. This is the packaging, so let's open it up. Okay, I will be honest, I haven't opened up any of the things. I just opened the box to kind of see what I got. So this packaging is so cute. It looks like it has like a little bow on it, and then this is what the other side looks like. It's pretty compact, like it's not as big and thick as like a lot of other setting powders are. So it doesn't look like it really has a shade on it. It just says coconut setting powder. So I'm guessing it's just translucent, which is good. So maybe it's good for every kind of skin tone. And then I got these brushes, and I'm not sure who they're by. And one thing I can say, I didn't get a little pamphlet. Like usually it comes with a pamphlet that has like what these are, the prices on it, and I didn't get one. So I don't know if it just got left out or what. So bear with me. But I did get some brushes, and I think the brand name is Alamar. I'm not sure if it is. I haven't never heard of them. So excited to try these. I love trying new brushes, especially if the prices are good, because I ain't got time to be buying expensive brushes. So the next thing we'll talk about is the Pure 4-in-1 Correcting Primer. It says energize and rescue with aloe, coconut water, and probiotics. It is silicone free, so it does look like this. I'm down to try kind of like any kind of new primer, but right now I am stuck on the e.l.f. Poreless Putty and the Smashbox Minimize Pores. Like I can't get away from that. It just works for me. I do have the e.l.f. What is it? Matte putty, I think it's what it's called. It's like the clear version of the Poreless Putty, and it's supposed to keep you matte. So I am going to be trying that in one of my videos coming up. So yeah, I am really excited to test this out as well. And so last but not least, I think every month you get an eyeshadow palette, because so far I've got an eyeshadow palette every month. Last but not least is the iconic Day to Slay eyeshadow palette. These colors, y'all, it's so pretty. Like, so stunning. Let me take this clear thing out so you can actually see the colors. But these are the colors, and they are right up my alley. I am more of a neutrals girl when it comes to eyeshadow palettes, so this is going to be my jam if the colors are very pigmented and it is a good eyeshadow palette. I'll be honest, I haven't heard a lot about this eyeshadow palette, so I am curious to see how it does perform. So that is it for February's BoxyCharm unboxing. I usually do a dedicated video and kind of do swatches and kind of open up stuff and kind of see what's going on. But I am going to do a try on with this, and that video is when I'll open them up and kind of like show you what they look like, the products, like how they perform, stuff like that. So I am waiting on my March BoxyCharm to get here. It hopefully should be here in like the next week or so. And hopefully that has some products in it, so I can do like a full face of BoxyCharm products and do my February BoxyCharm and my March BoxyCharm kind of like in the same video. So we'll just see. I'm not sure what March's BoxyCharm box is going to have in it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this short little video, kind of like telling you what's been going on, where I've been, why I've been MIA. So I feel like I owe it to you guys to kind of tell you like what's been going on. I didn't want you to think that I just like up and quit and I'm not doing it anymore. I am. Trust me, I am. I'm coming back. So my new series will be starting next week, starting on Monday, but I'm going to hopefully have another video maybe up tomorrow or Sunday, because I do have a birthday party to go to tomorrow afternoon, and I have a whole box of products I need to try out, so I might do that before I go to the birthday party and kind of do a video on that, and maybe edit it and upload it on Sunday. I don't know, we'll just see how tomorrow goes. I'm pretty lazy on the weekends, I'm not even gonna lie, so we'll just see. But I hope you guys enjoyed this short little video. Thank you guys so much for being patient with me and sticking behind me. Like, honestly, the views, and I have like over 600 subscribers now, even though I was missing for a month. I mean, that's pretty crazy. So thank you so much for still watching my videos and subscribing. And also, don't forget to follow me on social media, because that is where I post. Even though I was down for February, I was posting on my Instagram account. So if you want to kind of keep up with me a little more, definitely go follow me there. But yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to click that subscribe button and hit that post notification bell. And I will see you next time. Bye!